Easy and quick, this recipe has a unique flavor. To start, in a bowl, add 4 whole eggs and salt to taste. Then mix everything very well. Now, add 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix again. The goal is to form a homogeneous batter. In a skillet, add olive oil and pour in the batter we prepared. Add 1 ounce of mozzarella cheese on top. Cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, slice half a tomato. After that, add 3/4 of an ounce of mozzarella cheese on top of the batter in the skillet and carefully distribute the tomato slices on top. Add another 3/4 of an ounce of mozzarella cheese. Now add mint to taste. With the help of a spatula, fold the pancake carefully. Cover again and let it cook for 2 more minutes. And just like that, our stuffed pancake for breakfast is ready. This recipe is simply delicious. I'm cutting a piece now to show you. It's definitely worth making. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you liked it, don't forget to like our video. And if you're not part of our channel yet, click the subscribe button so you won't miss any of our creations. See you next time.